Very good morning, students. This is Dr. Archana Tiwari, Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Students, today we are going to discuss the topic, the concept of insurance, and this topic is related with your paper second of business management, that is fundamentals of insurance. And in this topic we are going to discuss the need of insurance. So firstly we must discuss the concept of insurance. The concept of insurance is as old as mankind. Its origin appears simultaneously with the appearance of human society. From the beginning of society, protection has remained an important need of human being. The man has always thought of protection of his life, his family, his assets and his earnings capacity. The owner of the asset has to suffer heavy loss. Insurance is an agreement or the arrangement of indemnity, the loss or risk caused by the perils to the property. Fire, flood, earthquake, theft are the probable events and are called as perils. Risk means the possibility of loss due to the perils which is unforeseen, and loss may occur or not. Uncertainty is an important aspect of risk. Assume that there are 10,000 houses in a city. So we are taking an example of it, and every year 10 houses destroyed by fire. The amount of loss occurs due to fire is rupees 1 lakh per house. It means the total estimated loss will be 1 lakh into 10 is equal to 10 lakh. If this loss is divided into 10,000 houses owners, the amount of share of each house owner will be rupees 100. Thus, by contributing a small amount of rupees 100 every year, all the 10,000 houses owner get protection against the risk of fire. So I think now it is clear what is the concept of insurance. Now, why there is a need of insurance? Life insurance is an intangible property and its need may not be realized properly by the people or the firms. It is therefore rightly said that insurance is a subject matter of solicitation. The need and the purpose of insurance is explained in the following slides. Number one, importance of insurance or the need of insurance is provide economic protection. Insurance provides economic protection to the people and their property. Events like fire, flood, lightning, earthquake, theft, breakdown in machinery may damage the property and cause financial loss. The primary objective of insurance is to provide protection against the financial loss of property due to specific risks. It should, however, be remembered that insurance does not protect the property from any risk, nor it can avoid the risk. So the first important point related with the need of insurance is to provide economic protection. Because of the need of this economic protection, insurance exists in the market, and definitely insurance provides economic protection to the people as well as the property. Second importance is investment. Another important purpose of life insurance is investment for meeting a person's future needs such as education, marriage of children, provisions of income for old age, etc. The small amount paid regularly as premium for a certain number of years grows into a large investment in the long run, besides providing insurance protection. And I think it is clear to you all what is the meaning of premium. Premium means a small amount of money paid to the insurance company by the person who have insured himself for the life or the property. So from the investment point of view also, insurance is very much important phenomenon. Third need is tax benefit. Besides providing insurance protection to policyholder, it also helpful to get income tax relief in a proportion of premium payment made during the financial year. So through insurance, savings in income tax can be made. Thus it gives tax rebate to the insured and his tax liability is reduced. So many persons used to take insurance policies because they want to take the advantage of tax benefit. So there may be some of the rebate related with the tax in their income. So it is also one of the important factor related with the insurance. Another need is social security. In recent years, the importance of insurance as a social security device has increased significantly. The state is devising various insurance schemes to provide protection to the economically and socially weaker sections, rural people, farmers, workers, and other persons also. So, another point for the need of insurance is business needs. Business also needs insurance protection. Insurance safeguards the investment in business against various risks, ensures continuity of operations, and thus gives boost to business growth. It indemnifies the loss of factory, building, machinery, equipment, inventories, and other assets caused by fire, flood, earthquake, theft, etc. So, from the business needs purpose, it is also important to take the insurance policy. Another aspect we can take is cover against uncertainty. By providing financial support, insurance system minimizes uncertainties in business and human life. However, it should be noted that the insurance does not protect the property from any peril or risk nor avoid it, but insurance only indemnifies the financial loss occurred due to unforeseen events. Now, provisions against unexpected death may also be a need for taking the insurance. The life of persons is full of uncertainties and risk. Due to unforeseen incidents like early death, life of person becomes end. Sometimes due to accident, life of person become non-functional through partial or total disability. So the provision against the unexpected death may also be covered by insurance. To generate financial resources, insurance generate huge funds by collecting small amount from number of persons, that is policyholders, in the form of regular premium. These funds are invested in government securities, bond and stock. It is also gainfully employed in industrial development and utilized for the economic development of the nation. Another important need is to enhance labor welfare. Insurance provides financial compensation to the employees or workers getting injured if any unforeseen event take place of the workplace when they are at work. Medical support can also be taken. Today, pattern of lifestyle is changed rapidly due to modernization and industrialization. The level of environment pollution is increased tremendously. It increases the health risk. Anyone can be victim of critical illness. So these were the points related with the need of insurance. We should revise all these points. Number one is to provide economic protection from the investment point of view, tax benefit, social security, business needs, cover against uncertainty, provision against unexpected death, to generate financial resources, to enhance labor welfare and medical support. So in this way we can say that insurance plays an important role in the life of general person, as it covers the risk of their lives as well as their property also. In next topic we'll be discussing the insurance as a social security tool, and today we have covered the purpose and need of insurance. In our next lecture we will be doing insurance as a social security tool. And another topic in your unit first is insurance and economic development, principles of life insurance, marine, fire, medical, general insurance, contract of various kinds, insurable interest may be the part of your unit first. So this was today's lecture. We will continue with the next topic tomorrow, and the question related with this topic may arise in your examination in the form of a question like what do you mean by insurance, or explain the concept of insurance, what is the significance of insurance, or what is the need and importance of insurance.